Welcome to the Weather Center. Let's check on what the weather has in store for your day ahead across South Africa. But first, a look at the most recent satellite picture where we still have cloud-free skies dominating the weather across the bulk of the country. But further west, we have this band of storm-bearing clouds which is going to maintain thunder showers tonight from the southern parts of the Northern Cape into the eastern areas of the Western Cape and spilling into the western half of the Eastern Cape. It's going to stay fine for the rest of South Africa. Now, here's a summary of what your Saturday is going to look like. Light rain is forecast over parts of the southwest coastline and the south coast, spreading into the Port Elizabeth area. The thunder showers we saw on Friday are going to move further east and will extend from the DI area into the eastern half of the Eastern Cape. It's going to stay fine for the rest of South Africa with fairly warm temperatures across the eastern half of the country, but it's going to be a touch cooler across western South Africa. Now, if you're in KwaZulu-Natal this Saturday, you won't have an excuse for not being outdoors. It's going to be fine in most places with sunny skies and fairly warm temperatures, but a bit of cloud is forecast overhead for Durban, where a high of 23 is forecast. Similar temperatures and weather around Port Shepstone. Thunder showers are forecast over the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape, extending down into the East London and Port Alfred area. Light rain later on in the day around Port Elizabeth, where a high of 20 is forecast. Light rain is also forecast for the south coast with highs around the 17-degree mark. We are expecting a bit of rain as well along the southwest coastline. Cape Town is going to be mostly partly cloudy, but we cannot rule out the chance of a few sprinkles. It's going to be partly cloudy along the west coast. The cloud spills into Springbok, where a high of just 13 is forecast. Mild temperatures over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape. A bit of cloud overhead for Kimberley and Bloemfontein, where a high of 16 is forecast. We are going to see temperatures warming further across much of the northwest, and they will lie mostly in the lower 20s for Mahikeng, Zeerust, Ventersdorp, as well as Rustenburg. Similar temperatures and weather across much of Limpopo. It's going to be much warmer, however, as we go towards the low-veld areas, where Musina will peak at around 24 degrees. Mild temperatures across much of the Mpumalanga Highveld, but the sun is going to continue shining brightly. Similar weather is forecast for Gauteng with mild temperatures in most places. Pretoria will peak at around 19 degrees. We are expecting moderate winds across much of South Africa this Saturday, but look out for strong winds around the Port Elizabeth area. Now, looking ahead to your Sunday, just a few sprinkles of rain are forecast in the morning around Cape Town, where temperatures stay at around 16. It's going to be sunny for the rest of the country. Then on Monday, we are going to see sunny skies across much of South Africa, a bit of cloud along the south coast.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com